I don't know what just happened because the alert thing just went off on the phone. I don't even know how it went off on my phone I'm holding with no internet connected to it. There's no SIM card in this phone. They're a little early. I don't know how that happened. Daughter sent me a voice clip. Nothing yet on the TV. The phone's the only thing that went off. I kind of wish, I don't know if I caught it or not, because it stopped recording the minute the alert went off on the phone that's not connected to the internet. I don't know how that happened. I really, really don't. So we're just waiting for the TV to go off, and the TV might be a bit behind because it's a digital thing. Nothing yet on the stereo commercial. Very odd. I just don't know how this other phone could have... This did go off correctly. And then when I tried to clear it, I couldn't clear it. Okay. Yeah, see, they were a little early. I'm glad I started a few minutes early. 2:19. So they did the phones first. I'm waiting for the TV to do it. Should be any second. Nothing on the radio. Oh, yep.
This is a nationwide test of the Emergency Alert System, issued by the Federal Emergency Management Agency, covering the United States from 2:20 to 2:40 p.m. Eastern Time. This is only a test. No action is required by the public.
So they're doing it in segments, it looks like.
With a haystack, sure.
So now it's back to regular programming.
But then all you can do is hope the right person comes along. Which is
between 2:20 and 2:40, so the TV should be next. I'm not a zombie. It worked. I mean, it worked on the phone and it worked on the radio over there, but not yet from the TV. I'll only record for about another minute or so because I don't know when it might go off. I just, like I said, what confuses me is how could this phone have gone off without it connected with a SIM card and or internet, and it still went off.